Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of missile. An object which is forcibly propelled at a target, either by hand or from a mechanical weapon. For example, one of the players was hit on the head by a missile thrown by a spectator. American pronunciation. Missile. Missile. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Missile. Say. Missile. Missile means object which is forcibly propelled at target, either by hand or from mechanical weapon. Missile. Missile. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The rest involved equipment vandalism and missiles thrown at trains. Now, repeat after me. The rest involved equipment vandalism and missiles thrown at trains. The second practice. The man's companions threw flasks and other missiles to ward it off. Now, repeat after me. The man's companions threw flasks and other missiles to ward it off.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.